I swear I love what I do. She came in with broken locks. Her mother was worried about her confidence, saying she just turned 16 and she ultimately doesn't look the way she would want to. We did a takedown and we just rebuilt her from the ground up. After her consultation and her lock takedown, I got straight to work. It took me about 2 days, but all in all, we got her all together, and here's the final results. Confidence back, hair, teeth, and me, hands tired. I'm done. Good night, y'all. I'm wrapped in divine confidence. If you feel my energy, then baby, just watch. I'm on a new level, I'm taking my spot. My shine is fine, and it's heaven sent. I'm drenched in pure confidence.